Hi all, welcome to Techies Knowledge channel. Today we will discuss one more basic interview question, which is like write a factorial program for given number. Okay, and the factorial can be written in multiple ways, right, using recursion and using the for loop. But today we will discuss how we can write a factorial program using the recursion method. All right. Uh, so let's continue how we can write the factorial program using the recursion, right? So here, so first we will just define even a function which is name, right? This is just a name, and we are just passing a number, which number we want to find out the factorial value, right? So if the given number is less than 0, alright, so basically if less than 0 means it's a right, it's a negative numbers will not be having the factorial value, so you just return the sorry, negative numbers doesn't exist the factorial value. Alright, so if uh, in Python elif, right, next condition, if we want to check it, nested condition, it's like elif, right? So if number is equal to 0, so here the factorial of 0 is again the 1, right? Normally 0 factorial of 0 is a 1, it's a based on the standard definition, and we simply return the 1 value. Right, and the next condition, what we need to check it, so we checked now till we checked here negative numbers, and we checking the 0, and we need to check one more condition is like if the number is equal to 1, again, right, 1 factorial is again 1, so you simply return the same number. Alright, now if it is we are checked the three conditions till now. If it is given the number is less than 0, then we are returning it, there is no factorial value. If number is equal to 0, again we are returning the factorial of 0 is a 1, and here we are, whenever the number is equal to 1, we are simply returning whatever the number is coming. Right, if it is a number is greater than 1, right, then we need to write the what we are writing for, like a recursion way to find the sorry, here the number, right, number, and we are calling the same function again. So that is what, right, till until the condition is a valid, it will keep calling the function. So here we, until the value is become less than equal to 1, right, then the loop will be continued, and then we will get the final response here. So here we simply return the function, and now we have to call the function, so we can pass the value here, what is the factorial we need to find out. So here we are just returning it here, we are not printing the value. So because of that, so we have to write the print statement here uh, to catch the value, returned value, and print it here. So let's print it and see what's the value. So here can you see is a 120. How the 120 is came here? So just assume, so first given the number is 5, and then we are reducing the one value here, and the reduced value is a 4, and we are calling the function again, right? Okay, simply we will write it here itself so we can understand. And here, so first we are giving the number is 5, okay, we are multiplying with the 5, and we are reducing the one value of the 5, right? So here 4, and 4 we are calling with the function here. So we are reducing one value, and then we are calling the function again, so 4 will go here. So the, and 4 is not less than 0, and 4 is not equal to 0, and 4 is not equal to 1, right? So again it value will be coming here, and here again the number will be become 4, right? So 4 now, and again we are reducing the one value of here, right, from 4 it will become 3, and again we are calling the function, right? So the now 3 again is not less than 0, and 3 is again not equal to 0 and not equal to 1. So again the value will be become here is a 3. So 3, and again we are reducing the value here. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, right? So 2 will be, again we are calling the function value is a 2, so 2 here, and then the value 2 is not less than 0 and any condition will not satisfy here, and again it will come to the else statement, and it will be returning 2, right? So here 2, and again if we are 2 minus 1 is become 1, so we no need to bother that. Finally we, by this loop we got the response here, right? So here what is the value? 5 multiplied by 4 is a 20, 60, 120, so the value is here. So finally we are returning the else statement and with the value which is a 120. So what is the value, right? 120. The same way we can pass any value here, minus value equal to 1. So all satisfied conditions we are returning here, and it will work for all the conditions. And this is a program, one way we can write for the factorial, and any other, many other ways are there. Maybe we will see one by one. And subscribe to the Techish Knowledge channel, and we will keep adding the smaller and difficult, whatever it is, based on the available, right, the interview programs. And thank you guys.